back to the meeting Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making an easy and really delicious pumpkin bread. So let's get started. We're gonna start out mixing our wet ingredients. First we're gonna add half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, softened, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix this well. Once I'm done mixing my wet ingredients, this is how it should look. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 cup of pumpkin puree and get that all in there. Plop, just like this. And now we're gonna mix really well. Okay everyone, once you are done mixing your wet ingredients, which should look like this, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Here I have 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix these very well together. Okay everyone, here I have my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients, and I'm gonna mix it until I have a nice batter consistency, just like this. You want no lumps in your batter. This is how my batter looks. And now here I've greased a loaf pan with some non-stick spray, and I'm gonna put my batter in, and I'm gonna bake my pumpkin bread for 40 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay everyone, so I cut a little piece of my bread. It has been in the oven for 50 minutes and it came out perfect. And now I'm gonna taste it. This is such a good recipe. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and try it. You can make it for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's amazing. If you liked our recipes, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Bye! Happy Thanksgiving!